while our rice is toasting, we're going to go back and we're going to stir our vegetable stock to make sure that we get a majority of the lumps broken up. We're going to measure out a teaspoon of salt. We're going to put that over the top of the rice. And then the same again with a teaspoon of black pepper. All right, we still have some rice in our measuring cup, and we're going to be adding our vegetable stock. I'm adding 2 cups, and that should clean the rice out. You can see we have like a little bit of our vegetable stock at the bottom. And we're going to add our 2 cups. We're going to give it a little stir. We're going to bring this to a boil.